Today I'll be sampling this kid that I found on Instagram. And change that into Amapiano. But anyway, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe. As y'all can see, I added some drum loops. Then I sample his sound by chopping it and repeat multiple times. Then I add some more percussions. And rims. High pitch congos. Next, log drum. Military snare. Then I add some sound effects. Now enjoy the full beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and tell me what you think down in the comment section. And yeah, man, danko. And I'm sorry for posting late and not posting lately. I've been going through some problems. Danko.